Hi viewers, in today's video we are diving into another interesting topic tagged digital marketing strategies. In this fast-paced digital age, it is crucial for businesses to leverage on effective strategies to reach out to their target audience, drive engagement, and achieve their marketing goals. We will be looking at 6 strategies that will keep you ahead of your competitors in digital marketing landscape. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amadi God Knows, your host on Digi Marks channel, where I bring you the best tips and tricks for digital marketing success. Stay tuned for another interesting episode today. Let's dive into the video. Strategy number 1: search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, known as SEO, is where you enhance your website visibility and attract organic traffic by optimizing your online presence for search engine ranking results. In order for you to achieve effective SEO ranking results, it is paramount to consider thorough keyword research to identify the research terms your target audience uses when looking for products or services like yours. Therefore, utilize keyword research tools like iRef Keyword Explorer, SEO Power Suite, Google Keyword Planner, SAP Stats, and all the rest of them to discover their search engine result behaviors. Also consider other factors like search volume, relevance, and competition to choose the most strategic keyword for your website. Optimize your website through on-paging optimization to ensure that your website's structures, content, and meta tags align with the targeted keywords to enhance your ranking. This can be achieved by ensuring that your website has a clear and organized structure, well-optimized pages title, meta description, headings, keyword-rich content, and mobile-friendly. Content is king when it comes to SEO, so create high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that cater to your target audience needs and interests, and regularly update your website with fresh content to keep it relevant and optimized. Seek for opportunities to acquire backlinks from reputable and relevant websites in your industry. Engage in guest posting, participate in industrial forums, or collaborate with influencers to earn quality backlinks. These links send signals to search engines that your website is authoritative and trustworthy. Therefore, optimize the website's loading speed by minimizing image sizes, caching techniques, and using a reliable hosting providers. The speed or response of your website greatly impacts the search engine ranking, so make it accessible, secure, and seamless user experience across different devices. By implementing a robust SEO strategy, you can enhance your website visibility, attract organic traffic, and outreach the competitions. Remember, it takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Strategy number 2 is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a powerful house platform to connect connections with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. In today's digital world, social media has become an integral part of our lives. As a business owner, leverage on social media marketing can help you reach your target audience, build a community, and achieve your marketing goals, which must be clearly defined to guide your social media strategies and help you measure your success accordingly. A well-defined goal is a roadmap to your brand success story. Research to identify the social media platform where your target audience spends their time. Focus on these platforms and align your business objectives to their trends for effective engagement and conversions with your audience. Establish a strong and consistent brand presence across your social media profiles and share valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Use consistent brand colors that align with your brand voice, addresses, and imageries to create a cohesive visual identity. Craft a compelling bios and optimize your profile with relevant keywords to enhance discovery. Build relationship and foster engagement, because that is what social media is known for. So respond promptly to your comments, messages mentioned by your audience. Encourage conversations by asking questions and hosting contests or giveaway which shows genuine interest to your audience. Ensure you monitor and analyze your social media platforms using analytics tools provided by the platforms or third-party tools like reach engagement, click-through rate, and conversions. Use the gained insights to optimize your social media strategies, identify top-performing content, and make data-driven decisions. Social media is ever evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and new features on platforms you utilize. Experiment with new content formats. Explore emerging emerging platforms and adapt your strategies to ensure you stay relevant and effectively engaging with your audience. So embrace the power of social media and take your brand to the new height. Strategy number 3 is content marketing. Content marketing drives audience engagement, establish thought leadership, and generate leads through strategic content creation and distributions. Content marketing is a powerful strategy that focuses on creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and what they intend to achieve from the comprehensive content outlines you offer. Craft high quality, valuable, and engaging content that addresses your audience needs and interests. Make sure your content is well reached, informative, and often practical solution to your audience needs and strategically distributed for easy access through various channels. Focus on delivering values, staying consistent, and adapting your strategy based on audience feedback and analytics. So embrace the power of content marketing and connect with your audience on a deeper level, which takes us to strategy number 4, which is email marketing. You can leverage on power of email to nurture relationships, drive conversions, and keep your audience engaged. Email marketing remains one of the most effective and reliable digital marketing strategies. It allows businesses to communicate directly with their audience, deliver targeted messages, and build long-term relationships. Start by building a quality email list of subscribers who will be opted in to receive communications from your business, and this can be achieved by offering valuable incentives such as exclusive content, discounts, or ebooks to encourage sign-ups. Divide your email list into segments based on interest, purchase history, or engagement levels. This will encourage you to deliver highly targeted and personalized content that resonates with your each segment. Tailor your messages to address their specific needs and preferences. The email subject lines are a first impression your emails make. Therefore, create attention-grabbing and concise subject lines that entices recipients to open your emails. Experiment with different strategies such as personalization, urgency, curiosity, or offering value to increase open rates. Share educational articles, industry insights, guides, tips, and exclusive efforts aimed to provide consistent values to your audience. Use eye-catching visuals, clean layout, and easy-to-read fonts when reaching out to your audience. Ensure your emails are mobile-friendly and optimized for different email clients with clear call to actions button to drive desired actions. Set up email automation to streamline your communication and nurture customer relationship. Automating certain email sequences saves time and ensures timely interactions. In all, remember to focus on delivering value, personalization, and relevant content, which takes us to strategy number 5, influential marketing. In today's digital age, influential marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy for brands to leverage on in reaching out popular personalities. By partnering with influencers, businesses can tap into the engaged audience and create authentic connections. Research relevant influencers that align with your brand's value, target audience, and industry with engaged followers. Analyze their content, engagement rates, and audience demographics to ensure a good fit. Show interest in their work and explain how your collaboration can benefit both parties. Create win-win partnership by offering value such as exclusive discounts, sponsored content, product giveaway, or affiliate programs, whereby ensuring transparency by following ethical practices and adherence to exclusive guidelines set by relevant authorities. Track the performance of your influential marketing campaigns by monitoring results using monitor metric-centric approach such as engagement, website traffic, conversions, and brand segmentation. If you are satisfied by your influencer's performance, then nurture long-term relationship. Cultivate relationship with influencers beyond a single campaign. Engage with them on social media platforms and share content. Long-term partnership can yield greater brand loyalty, sustained exposure, and increased authenticity, which takes us to strategy number 6, data analytics. Harnessing the power of data helps you to gain valuable insights, optimize your content effort, and drive informed decision making. In digital age, data is abundant and holds immense potential for business successes. Therefore, determine what specific questions or problems you want to address. Whether it's understanding customers' behavior, optimizing marketing, or improving website performance, clear objectives will guide your data analytics effort. The most important thing is to identify the data source that are most relevant to your objective. Reliable data forms the foundation for meaningful analytics and actionable insights. Therefore, select the appropriate analytical techniques that are suitable to your objectives. Use statistical methods and data visualization tools to analyze and interpret the data effectively. Use the insights gained from data analytics to inform your data-driven decision-making process. Optimize business campaigns, personalize customer experience, allocate resources effectively, or identify opportunities for innovation. Remember to continually evaluate and refine your data analytics strategy based on feedback and changing business needs. So stay updated with latest tools, techniques, and industry trends to maximize the value derived from the data analytics. At this point, I want to say thank you all for joining on this enlightening journey through digital marketing strategy. Stay engaged, supportive, and make a positive impact in the world of digital marketing. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.